Hi friends and fellow Disney fans, today we are checking out a room at the Grand Californian at Disneyland Resort, so come along. So over here we have a nice closet with lots of space, got a safe, you have some robes, which is really nice.
Very nice.
And then over here, we have the main room. So we have a 2-queen room. So this has queen bed here, and then you have a just like couch. Now, this isn't a pull-out one, but they do actually have rooms that sleep up to 5. So if you have a 5th person in your family, you can totally bring them still. And then over here, you have a lovely balcony. So you can have your coffee out in the morning.
Beautiful place to sit.
Yes. We have a view of the, it looks like monorail.
Yep.
And the garden area.
That's right. You can actually see the monorail right there. Garden over there.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Okay, and let's go check out the bathroom. Over here too, you have lots of storage, dresser, nice flat screen TV. And then a
Nice
little
desk. Yeah.
Keurig. Also a mini fridge.
Very nice. Ooh, hold on. I just want to show the artwork over here because it's beautiful. Again, all themed after California. Got kind of the orange grove look over top of your beds.
You have Dale and Chip. He's right up there.
Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Gotta love the little touches of Disney magic. So now, where are we heading, Jamie?
Okay, so now we're checking out the bathroom. Nice double sinks. Really nice.
Very nice.
And then over here, you have the shower, which is really nice and spacious.
We were just at the Disneyland Hotel, which is awesome. But I have to say, this shower area is so much better.
So we want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in staying at the Grand Californian, this resort is top notch.
Yeah.
It is absolutely gorgeous. And plus you have direct access, like it is connected right to California Adventure. So it doesn't get much easier than that.
It doesn't. Beautiful resort, beautiful pools, beautiful amenities, best location on the entire Disneyland property. And if you want help booking your stay here, why not contact my wife? She is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. Best of all, when you use her services, it's completely free.
That's true.
She just comes alongside and helps you have the most magical vacation possible.
So if you are interested in a Disney vacation, you can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote.
Thanks for taking the time to watch. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.